Hi guys, let's pick up from where we left off in the last tutorial where we talked about the inner HTML property. So before I proceeded, I realized there was one thing that I wanted to touch base on, and that was the document.write commands. That is something you see a lot in JavaScript for beginners tutorials or series on YouTube and on blog, etc. So I decided I was going to cover this as well. And basically what it does is write whatever you put in between here is going to write that to the documents. Now remember, when we say documents, we're basically referring to the HTML documents. So here this script is linked to the index.html page. That's the HTML documents we're dealing with right now. Another way you can look at it is this browser window right here. This page is the HTML documents. So that's what we're working with. So here I've written hi, and it just added hi to the documents. So I wanted to add that this also accepts HTML tags. So I could write, I'm going to have strong, all right, and now we have, this is a strong text in bold right now. I could also add this is the ampersand symbol, and I could type and AMP, and it gives me that symbol right here. I could basically have a lot of things here, a table, etc. But then I will need to concatenate my string here if I wanted to add variables and all this kind of stuff. So I did not make this very clear in the last tutorial, but actually you can use variables here. So I'm going to do this. Let's variable, let's name equals subscriber, and let's platform equals YouTube. Now what I'm going to show you guys works for both inner HTML and document.write. So I'm going to remove this so that it doesn't get in our way, and now I'm going to concatenate them. So I'm going to say URA, then I'm going to add the plus symbol, another plus symbol, then another plus symbol, and there, now I have you are a subscriber on YouTube, and I can add another one here, dots, and actually I can even have this like this, strong, the strong item. So now this is bold and the rest is not. So it's very robust. Again, you can add HTML entities and HTML tags and all of that, but that's not my preferred way of doing it. Template strings are more robust, I think, and safer to use. And document.write is not something you would usually use so much in your scripts, but it's still very good to understand how it works. And that's what I wanted to cover here, because you might encounter that when looking at someone else's scripts in the future. So that was just a quick by the way tutorial if you want. So let's move on to the next topic, and I hope you keep following this series. Subscribe, like, and share, and comments, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys.